Step 1 is to visit this website. Step 2 is to view some ads. And step 3 is to get paid instantly. In today's video, I'll be showing you a method where you can earn money simply by watching ads. I'll be showing you several different ways that you can make money through this process, so make sure you watch every single step of this video all the way until the end so you know exactly how to do this. So the first website I want to show you is a website that will reward you for visiting and clicking on different websites. I do want to mention that when you go on this website, you have the option to do the paid option where you'll be allowed to pay for additional ads. But since there's a free version of clicking on ads, I advise against it. The difference here is that you'll be able to click on a different number of ads every day. So if you had the paid version, you'd be able to click on many more ads and therefore make a lot more money. Instead of paying for a paid version, I would recommend that you reinvest the money made from the free version. This is basically how this website functions. The name of this website is called Addvive.com. This is what the main homepage should look like when you get onto the website. It states right here that it's a unique platform for earning. It's also a great place to advertise as well. So clearly, people come here to advertise. They will pay people to view their websites mostly so they can improve and strengthen their SEO system. The more a website is viewed, Google's algorithm will see that as a good website and begin to encourage the development of this type of website. That's essentially what you'll be doing here. Signing up on this website is fairly simple and straightforward. When you're on the homepage, you'll just navigate up to the top right corner where it says sign up right here. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to this registration form where you'll enter some basic information like your first name, email, username, password confirmation, and then you can select your payment processor. Unfortunately, PayPal is not an option, but there are several others that you can choose from. After you've entered all this information, then you'll check this box saying that you're not a robot, and then check this box right here saying that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then finally click on this button that says register. I haven't found any information or reviews saying that this site is not legit or a scam, but I recommend that you always do your own research. I also would like to mention that this site is low paying, but the task or duty that you're supposed to complete is very simple. This is my main dashboard of my account where I can view all of my account information like how much I've earned. When I click on paid ads right here, it will display 15 different YouTube ads where I will be able to earn points after I click them. They run on a point system that is known as BAP. You can convert it to real cash when you click on it. So you can see right here that 1 BAP is equivalent to 5 cents. I encourage you to check this website out for yourself so you can learn more and choose to see if you'd like to make more money by viewing ads through this method. So the second website I'm about to show you is also available worldwide and has several different payment methods that you can choose from, including PayPal. So this website is called Starclix.com, and it should look something like this. This is the main homepage, and up here you'll see a publisher's category and an advertiser's category. You will want to earn money by watching ads on this website, so just click on publishers. When you scroll down a bit, it'll show you how you can find more information about this. As it states right here, it says that publishers can earn money online by working right now. As soon as you make money, you'll be able to get paid instantly, which is an amazing perk on this website. And there are a variety of different payment methods for you to get your money, ranging from PayPal to bank transfer to many others. To get started yourself, just click on this button that says Start Now. After that, just click this button that says Publisher Sign Up to sign up for your own account. You'll just have to fill in some basic information like your first name, last name, date of birth, your address, your city, country, and more. Once you've created your account, this is what your dashboard should look like. I want you to scroll down and click on pay-per-click ads right here so you can view all the different ads that you can click on to earn money with. You can see clearly that there are several different ads that you can click on to make money. This third website right here will pay you in cryptocurrency. It functions where they have their own cryptocurrency token, which you will be able to exchange for other cryptocurrencies. You'll have to download this app or plugin onto your computer and install it to start using it. The only thing you need to do to make money on this website is just click on an ad, which will pop up on your screen so you can earn your points. The name of this website is Permissionio. They say that data is your most valuable asset, and I would definitely agree with that. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for your account on this platform. But first, consider subscribing to this channel if you are getting value from this video. You'll then need to fill out your profile so you can get permission to opt in to receive content from many different brands or companies. You will then watch videos and browse the web so you can earn while you view different ads. So I recommend that you do some of your own research if you choose to use this website, because it seems that they want people to use their website so they can gather data. So if you're comfortable with that, then I encourage you to go ahead and sign up with this website so you can start earning money from watching ads. Here's the sign up process. It's very straightforward, as all it requires is some basic personal information. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.